In this video, I am going to show you how to connect GameSir Nova Lite to a PC. So, first of all, this is the simplest method. If you want to connect it to your PC, you can use just a cable. Just connect your controller to your PC using a USB-C cable, and Windows should detect it automatically. You can now launch your game or Steam. And of course, this is the ultra low latency mode with a cable. So it's for best performance. If you don't want that, you can connect it using Bluetooth. To pair wirelessly, just go and turn on the controller off first of all, then press and hold the home button until the indicator starts flashing quickly. Then on your PC, open settings, Bluetooth and devices, and make sure to enable Bluetooth first. Once you do so, you would like to go and click on add device, choose the Bluetooth option, and select the Xbox wireless controller or wireless controller depending on your firmware. Wait for the connection to complete and you should be good to go to connect it with Bluetooth. If you have basically the wireless receiver, which is the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, you can use that. You can just go and plug the USB dongle into your PC, turn on your controller, and they should pair automatically. If they don't, press the pairing button on the dongle, then put the controller back into the pairing mode. That should make it pair very easily. If any game, as example, don't recognize the controller correctly, you can basically just verify your input modes. Inside your Steam, as example, just go and choose or edit basically your input mode, then you should be good to go. You can do that, of course, also by holding the View plus menu to switch input modes. And for Windows games, make sure that the controller is in X input mode or controller mode indicated by the green lights. And you can check that example by the name also at the top. So that's how you connect a GameSir Nova Lite to a PC. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.